Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to solve the 7th standard maths operation on rational number practice set 22 question number 3. Yesterday we had completed in the video till the question number 2. Today we are going further with the question number 3. So I am reading the question number 3. Kindly listen it very carefully. Multiply the following rational numbers. तो हमको क्या करना है, आज के रैशनल नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. कल हमने एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन सीखे थे, आज हम उसको मल्टीप्लाई करना भी सीखेंगे. तो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमको दिया हुआ है 3/11 into 2/5. So here 3/11 into 2/5. So similar way, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to just multiply the numerator first and then the denominator together. So here it will becomes like that way, 3 into 2 upon 11 into 5. So here 3 2s are 6 upon 11 5s are 55. So the answer is 6 upon 55, like this way. So question number 2 we are solving. 12 upon 5 into 4 upon 15. Similar way, what we are doing, numerators we are adding, multiplying first. So 12 into 4 upon 5 into 15. So the answer is 12 4s are 48 upon 15 5s are 75. So the answer will be, if we will divide this by the 4, so what we are going to get it over here? If we will divide this, so we get 16 upon 25, like this way. So therefore the answer is 16 upon 25. Now the third question we are going to solve, -8 upon 9 into 3 upon 4. So for this, similar way we will multiply it. -8 into 3 upon 9 into 4. So that will be equals to 3 8s are 24 upon 9 4s are 36 minus. Now both the numbers are coming in the table of 6, so we will divide this by the 6. So 6 4s are 24 and 6 6s are 36. Again these two numbers are coming in the table of 2, so that we will divide it. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So the answer is -2 upon 3 of the multiplication. Now fourth sum, 0 upon 6 into 3/4. That will be equals to 0 into 3 upon 6 into 4. So here 0 3s are 0 only and 6 4s are 24. So that will be equals to, here the whole fraction becomes 0. So the answer of this multiplication is 0 only. Now the fourth question we are solving here. So I am reading the fourth question. Write the multiplicative inverse for the following. Now what we are supposed to do, some of the fractions are given to us, we are supposed to write down their multiplicative inverse. Inverse लिखना है. Inverse का मतलब होता है उलट. मतलब जो आपके पास नंबर दिया है आपको एग्जैक्टली उसका अपोजिट लिखना है, यानी उसको उलट कर देना है. तो यहाँ पर आप क्या करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर में लिखेंगे, डिनोमिनेटर को हम न्यूमरेटर में लिखेंगे. तो इस तरह से मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स किस तरह से होगा, यहाँ पर लिखना है मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ 2/5 will be इसका न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ पर कैसे हो जाएगा 5/2. दिस इज द आंसर ओनली. सो हियर द नेक्स्ट वन वी आर हैविंग 3 - 3/8. So here the multiplicative inverse will be multiplicative inverse of -3/8 is equals to -8/3, like this way. Then third one, -17/39. So here multiplicative inverse of -17/39 is equals to -39/17. So like that way we have did our question number 3. Now for this same question number 4, in that fourth one and the fifth one you are supposed to do by your own. Now here we are solving the question number 5. The first of it is 40/12 divided by 10/4. Now for the question number 5 it is given that we are supposed to divide the given rational numbers. तो हमको गिवन रैशनल नंबर का डिवीजन करना है, तो इसके लिए ज़रूरी है कि पहला वाला जो रैशनल नंबर है हम उसको वैसे ही रखते हैं. सेकेंड वाले को जब भी हम सॉल्व करने जाते हैं तो वी आर सपोज टू टेक द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ द सेकेंड वन एंड इन द मिडिल वी आर सपोज टू राइट डाउन द मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन. So how we are solving, that is here 40/12 into 4/10. So if we will multiply it, what we are going to get, 4 4s are 16, so it will be 160. So here 12 10s are 120. So here it becomes this one and this one get cancelled. So now with the table of 4 we will divide it. So 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So here 4/3. So the answer is 4/3. Now the second question we are going to solve. -10/11 divided by -11/10. So for this again we are supposed to take the multiplicative inverse for the second one. So here -10/11 into 10/11, here minus sign should come. So here what will happen, 10 into 10 it's 100, but minus and minus both are having, so that's why minus into minus is the plus one, and 11 into 11 it's 121. So the answer is 100/121. Third one we are going to solve. -7/8 divided by -3 into 6. So here again -7/8 into 6/3 minus, like this way. Then 7 6s are 42 upon 3 8s are 24, like this way. Now here minus into minus, again plus will come over here. So when we are finding, we will get that 42 and 24 both are coming in the table of 6. So here it will be 7 6s are 42, 6 4s are 24. So the answer is 7/4. So similar way, the question number 4 and 5 you are supposed to do by your own. Now the question number 7 we are going to solve here. So it is 9/11 divided by -8. So here in the question -8 is not having any denominator. So for the consideration, we can take it as a 1. So here we can write it as 9 upon 11 divided by minus 8 upon 1, like this way, so that we can understand it. So here if we will write down 9 upon 11 into minus 1 upon 8 will come, so that we can solve. So here 9 ones are 9 with the minus sign and 11 eights are 88. So the answer is 9 minus 9 upon 88 is the answer. Now the 8th question we are going to solve. 5 divided by 2 by 5. So here it is also given, here 5 is also not having any denominator. For the consideration, we can take it as 5 upon 1 divided by 2 by 5. So that will be equals to 5 upon 1 into 5 by 2. So that will be equals to 5 5s are 25 upon 2. So here the answer is 5 upon 2, 25 upon 2. So in this way we have completed our practice set number 22. So you are supposed to see the video and then you are supposed to complete your work with the help of this video. Before ending up here, I like to request you to like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video. Assalamu alaikum. Jazakallahu khair.